Hey, this is Payal Dangi from Ahmedabad. I have done my masters in computer application in 2007. I have also work experience in software development till 2010. Then I took break in my professional life. Just 1 year before, once again I decided to make my career in software testing. So one of my friends suggested me about this test solution. I thought it would be difficult for me to fit myself after this long gap in current IT industry. But during the training with the STAD solution, my confidence level increased. Now I am not just aware about the concept and the theoretical knowledge of software testing, but much more confident with practical approach and the real environment in software testing. STAD also provide the good placement in well-known IT companies. And if I am talking about the faculties of STAD solution, they all are very supportive and helpful. Now I got the opportunity to make my career once again in well-known IT and well-established IT company D&T Infotech. So I would like to say thank you to State Solution for that. And of course, I recommend State Solution for those who wants to make their career in software testing.